Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be on Gacha Life, and I'm going to be showing you how you can add how you can make your OC not wear a top. So basically, as you can see, if I just go on Kuro Neko, you go on clothes, and if you click that, you can see that they have actually removed these colors. I've no idea why, but yeah, so what you want to do is you want to go on body, and then you want to click this skin color right there, and then you go back on clothes, and then you can see that now the colors are actually back. I just learnt this glitch, and then if you want this one for Kenosi to be more white, you basically you click on that, then you go on body back on body, and then you go and you click on these, and you can see that it doesn't remove it. And then that's how you make your OC wear no top. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Also make sure you are subscribed and you have turned on the post notifications, and I'll see you next video. Bye.